Hello and welcome to Skyworld March. Jonathan Ernst, Reuters, file CNN, Florida government. Ron DeSantis has a net worth of more than $1.17 million. According to a newly filed 2022 state disclosure. The Republican presidential candidate's financial position improved significantly after receiving an advance from HarperCollins to write his second book, The Courage to Be Free. DeSantis reported an income of $1,250,000 in his 2022 statement for the book advance and $141,400.20 for his salary as governor. His net worth as of December 31, 2022, was $1,174,331.07. Released in February, the book provided DeSantis a reason to tour the country as he laid the groundwork for a presidential campaign. The book became a bestseller, though copies of it were often handed out for free at his events around the country. DeSantis reported savings of $54,720.58 in a Florida retirement system account, in addition to $91,719.79 in a federal thrift savings plan account. His decision to accept a pension as governor came after he rejected his taxpayer-funded pension in 2013 as a member of the U.S. House, saying at the time, "I didn't run for Congress for the perks." He also reported $1,046,519.36 in checkings and savings.